I did an unboxing video for this really cheap digital camera. It wasn't really interesting, but this I assume will be more interesting. I'm going to take it apart because the battery is dead, so it doesn't function if you don't connect the USB cable, and that makes it very complicated to use because you can only power it from a power bank if you take it somewhere, and connected to a TV it only works as a webcam, to a computer it only works as a webcam. Also the audio is not working, but that's a different story. It records fine on the micro SD card. Let's just take it out. Yeah, come on. Like that. I just put in a 4 gig something in there, but allegedly it supports up to 64. And let's take off this. So it also works as a camera. It has a video out on its cable, so you can connect it to a TV without sound. And yeah, the whole menu system, you have to work with these two buttons, and I managed to do some of it. Most of it you do with the power button to start the recording and stop the recording and stuff. And yeah, this is a really hard learning curve. But yeah, this seems to work fine. But the battery, so when you plug it in, it works, but it heats up a lot, so that must mean that the battery is old or damaged or something. And yeah, this doesn't work without the battery, so maybe I'll try it without the battery. If it doesn't heat up, maybe I'll use it like that, but most likely I will have to install a new battery into it. Luckily I have some from headphones and electric cigars and stuff, so something will fit. Or I'll put in put next to it a bigger one like this, and it will be a action cam, but with a 10 times higher um, autonomy battery life, because this has 200 milliamp hours allegedly, and this would be almost 1,000. 5x, okay. So yeah, maybe this will be the best choice for it, I don't know yet. So let's see. I assumed that this sticker, this rainbow sticker, holds it together. You can clearly see that there are two halves here, two plastic halves. Which side I can, yeah, you can see it here that two parts are meeting. And I'll use in case I need to return it, hopefully I don't damage the sticker, I put the sticker on this shiny paper. That's the back of a sticker, so it won't stick very hard, and hopefully I'll be able to reapply it. But yeah, if not, it's not a big problem. This thing cost me $8, so hopefully I don't have to return it. Oh, it has a screw there. That's nice. So it's not just the sticker. Oh, but then the buttons fall out. That would be fun. So let's put this safely onto this thing here, like that, and put it away. And let's see inside. I have a screwdriver here, and just that one screw there. That's all. Hopefully I don't have to remove this sticker. Nope, there's nothing under it. At least I can't feel it. So let's see. The tiny little screw. This is so adorable. Look at that. It barely has threads, like 3 uh, spins. Okay, that's out, and let's see. There should be some sort of clips somewhere. Oh, yeah, there's the clip. And the other one is probably here. Which one goes? Oh, you have to take this part outwards. If it's the same on this side. Come on. Or maybe it's symmetrical. Eh. Come on. Maybe I'll just break it. I'll break it so you don't have to. Okay, it's the same. Like that. Okay, I didn't break it. And look at that battery, come on. This is pathetic. This is from headphone, I mean earphone, what you plug into your ear. It's exactly the same size. This is not 200 milliamp hours, never. Okay, let's measure the voltage. Because it doesn't even want to start if this is connected. Even if I let it charge for a bit. I mean, not really charge, but it just heated up. So let's see. Tiny little bicicleta. Yeah, this is dead. I mean, dead. 0.2, that's just dead in lithium-ion battery terms. That's dead. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of interesting. So basically, this thing has one chip for the power. This handles the battery and USB and stuff. And there's one chip on the other side, and that's it. Man, this is genius. And the microphone is just tucked in there. Oh, then that's why I had bad sound. Really bad sound quality. So this is how is this? Like this? Oh, excuse me. Like this. And the microphone should be here. Oh, where does it go? Like that. Hey, it's almost there. Yeah. So there's the microphone and here's its hole. So yeah, that's mostly where it should be, but yeah, I got to put it in a better place. Yeah, that's not really appropriate. And the way it's facing, it's not that great. But that's an easy fix. You can put it anywhere. Yeah, it's wired, so you can just move it. But that's adorable, tiny little microphone. Maybe you can put a better microphone in. Here are the two LEDs, which... why are they there? And wait! There's one more switch here that you can't access. What? There's another switch. Maybe that's for resetting, reflashing or something. That could be it. But yeah, this seems really interesting to me. Such a tiny little camera that can do video out and can function as a webcam and can also register, I mean record on the micro SD card. So yeah, uh, that's most of the video. Now I'm just going to try something. I try desoldering the battery and just plugging it in. If it works without the battery, then I can use it like that, no problem. But if it requires a battery, then it will be more complicated to fix. Come on, get off here. Yeah, I just shorted the battery and it doesn't mind because it doesn't hold the charge. So yeah, it's dead. So yeah, with the removed battery, let's see if it connects. Where are the LEDs? Here are the LEDs on the corner. So let's see. Yep, well, it wants to work. It says it's charging. And let me see. Did it appear? Oh, it should be a webcam now. I'll just check in OBS. Yep, it's working as a webcam. So it doesn't need a battery. Well, that's good to hear. So yeah, I'll make more videos about this and also upload some footage with its recording so you can see the quality of the recording. It's really nice from what I've seen till now. So yeah, see you in the next video.